A bag contains 4 pieces of paper, each labeled with one of the digits 1, 2, 3, or 4, with no repeats. 3 of these pieces are drawn one at a time without replacement to construct a 3-digit number. What is the probability that the 3-digit number is a multiple of 3? So the problem says we have a bag, and in that bag we have 4 pieces of paper, and they're each labeled with the digits 1, 2, 3, or 4, and it says no repeats. And then if we're drawing 3 of these pieces, so we have 3 cards that are going to be drawn, and it says without replacement, so that means after we drew a number, we're not putting it back, and we're constructing a 3-digit number. So the number of possibilities for the first digit is going to be 4, since we have originally 1, 2, 3, 4 digits that we can choose from. And then for the second digit, the number of possibilities is going to be 3, since we already drew a digit and without replacement, so we're not putting it back. So there's only 3 digits that we can pick from left. And same logic, we're going to have 2 digits left for the third digit that we're going to pick. And this is going to construct 3-digit number. And if we multiply these, we get 24. And this is 24 total possible outcomes when we have our original 4 digits. Now, what's the probability that the 3-digit number is a multiple of 3? So this is the total, and we're not accounting for the multiple of 3. Now if we account for a multiple of 3, then we have a different scenario over here, and we're going to use the divisibility rule for 3, and that states that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits are, and then we're going to list the scenarios for here. So it's going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 6 we know is divisible by 3, and 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals 8, and 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. We see here that 6 and 9 are the only possible numbers that are divisible by 3, so we can continue this. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits are a multiple of 3. So from here that we listed our example, out of these the only possible combinations are going to be 1, 2, and 3, which equals to 6, and 2, 3, and 4 also works, which yields a sum divisible by 3. So these are the possible combinations that we have. And to count the number of 3-digit numbers that can be made from these combinations, we can arrange these in any order, since we're adding these, so they can be in any order. So from 1, 2, and 3, and 2, 3, and 4, same for this one, we're adding them so we can arrange it in any possible order. We're going to have 3 factorial and 3 factorial. And that means that we're multiplying 3 times 2 times 1, which equates to a total of 6. And 6 plus 6 equals 12 total numbers that are divisible by 3. So the probability is going to be 12 possible numbers that are going to be multiples of 3 over 24 total possible outcomes. So that equates to half. So our answer is going to be C.